of the year again. Get ready for the grandest celebration of culture, crafts and traditions. The 38th Surajkund International Crafts Mela happening from February 7th to 23rd, 2025 in Surajkund, Faridabad. One of the largest craft fairs in the world, Surajkund Mela brings together artisans, performers and visitors from across India and beyond. It's a spectacular 17-day event where you'll find a colorful world of Indian handicrafts, cultural performances and delicious regional cuisines. This year, the Mela is celebrating Shilp Mahakumbh, a grand gathering of artisans just like the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. Let's take a look at the key details of Surajkund Mela 2025. Over 1 million visitors are expected to join this grand confluence of creativity and tradition where craftspeople from all corners of the world showcase their masterpieces. The Surajkund Mela is more than just a fair. It's a living celebration of India's rich cultural heritage. From folk performances to lively dance and music, the Mela offers a feast for the senses. And this year, the theme states are Odisha and Madhya Pradesh, two states known for their vibrant cultures and handicrafts. You will witness their traditions, art and beauty come to life right before your eyes. You can explore over 1,000 work huts, each showcasing traditional art forms, handlooms, pottery, woodwork and so much more. But it's not just about crafts. The Mela is a food lover's paradise too. You'll find mouth-watering dishes from across India and the world at the multicultural food courts. Whether you are craving a spicy kebab, a sweet treat or something exotic, there's something for everyone. For the thrill seekers, there are amusement rides and adventure activities that add an extra layer of fun to the fair. It's a perfect blend of culture, entertainment and excitement for the whole family. And don't miss out on the spectacular cultural performances, vibrant dances, music and art that represent the diversity of India's traditions. From the folk dances of Odisha to the tribal art of Madhya Pradesh, every performance is a celebration of our colorful heritage. The Surajkund Mela isn't just a fair, it's a platform for artisans to showcase their skills, connect with global buyers and preserve the ancient crafts of India. It's an opportunity to meet the creators behind the art and learn about the history and culture they represent. So mark your calendars for February 7 to 23rd, 2025 and be a part of this grand cultural extravaganza. The Surajkund Mela promises to be a journey through time, creativity and heritage. A place where tradition meets modernity and every corner is filled with stories waiting to be discovered.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.